In this video, we are going to show you how to resolve error 524, a timeout occurred. Now, if you are experiencing this, there are a few options that you can use to resolve this. The first option, you don't even need to go to your Cloudflare account. All you need to do is go look at your lower right corner and hover your mouse on your network. So right click on your network, click diagnose network problems. This will appear, a pop-up will appear. There you go. Click on this option to check your network settings. And as you can see, we don't have any issues. It's in Japanese, but we don't have any issues. If there's an issue, you're going to have an option here, a button that you can click and reset your adapter. And it's going to disconnect you and just reset your adapter, because a lot of times it's based on your network connection. Now, if that doesn't work, click on the upper right corner. There's 3 dots here if you're using Chrome, like so. Click on settings. We want to delete our cookies and our cache, right, for our browsing. So click on settings. Once you're here, you want to click on privacy and security. You want to click on delete browsing data and just click everything and just click delete data, and it's going to delete everything, all the cache, all the cookies, everything, etc. After that, open and close Google Chrome. And that should work for the most part, but if not, you might want to see if there's an update that you want to have for your browser for Google Chrome. Again, click on the 3 dots and then click on help, right? And then click on about Google Chrome. So here, as you can see, it is updating Google Chrome. If you don't have any updates, you might want to restart your PC after doing all of those fixes. But as you can see, we are updating on Google Chrome. This should fix our errors if we have any. So after that, you'll be good to go. Pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.